Pawn e2 to e4. Pawn e7 to e5. Knight g1 to f3. Knight b8 to c6. Bishop f1 to c4. Bishop f8 to c5. Pawn c2 to c3. Bishop c5 to b6. Pawn d2 to d4. Pawn d7 to d5. Pawn e4 takes d5. Pawn e5 to e4. Pawn d5 takes c6. Pawn e4 takes f3. Queen d1 takes f3. Queen d8 to e7, check. Bishop c1 to a3. Rook a8 to b8. Castle kingside. Knight g8 to f6. Queen f3 to g3. Knight f6 to h5. Queen g3 to g5. Queen e7 takes g5. Pawn c6 takes b7. Knight h5 to f4. Bishop e3 takes f4. Queen g5 takes f4. Bishop c4 takes f7, check. Queen f4 takes f7. Pawn b7 takes c8, promoting to queen, check. Rook b8 takes c8. Rook f1 to e1, check. King e8 to d8. Knight b1 to d2. Rook h8 to e8. Pawn c3 to c4. Bishop b6 takes d4. Pawn c4 to c5. Queen f7 takes f2, check. King g1 to h1. Rook e8 takes e1, check. Rook a1 takes e1. Queen f2 takes e1, check. Knight d2 to f1. Queen e1 takes f1, checkmate.